Imagine drinking a herbal tea that fights against recurring yeast infections, infertility issues, menstrual cramps, and the list goes on. Well, in today's video, we'll be talking about the herb dog blood bush, how to make this tea, and the benefits that we can get from drinking this tea. Hey NoMediocre crew, new subscribers, new viewers, welcome back to another tea time video. I'm your girl Chanel, aka NoMediocre 876, and on this channel I do health, travel, food, and lifestyle videos. As mentioned before, we'll be discussing the health benefits of dog blood bush. So dog blood bush is scientifically known as Rivina humilis. Other popular names includes baby pepper, fertility bush, roach plant, bloodberry. Yeah, if you know any other name, guys, let me know in the comment section. This herb is also said to be a girl's best friend, and trust me, you will see why. So guys, without further ado, let's chit chat about the benefits of this girl's best friend, and also I'm going to show you how I make the tea. Let's get right into it.
Dog blood bush is deep-rooted in traditional Jamaican bush medicine, with teachings of its benefits being passed down through generations. Grandmothers teach their daughters, who in turn teach their daughters to take dog blood bush when faced with reproductive challenges. This popular Jamaican herb has been discovered by the mainstream, and its effectiveness is being put to question. Can dog blood bush really help with infertility? To a skeptic, it may sound like common folklore.
Alright, so this is it in the dried form, yeah? Right, so when I got it, it wasn't this crispy. Not sure if you can hear that. Yeah? So what I did was put it in the sun for around 2 or 3 days and allowed it to dry. In that way, I was able to preserve it until I was ready to make the tea. So what we're going to do now, we're going to wash it thoroughly, and then I'm going to boil 1 cup of water and add it to it. All right, let's do that.
But there is some scientific basis to these claims. Research has shown that dog blood bush is a potent anti-inflammatory that targets inflammation in the uterus. Specifically, it resolves inflammation of the fallopian tube, allowing the easy fertilization of the ovum. This anti-inflammatory property is why it is also known as inflammation weed. Now, let's look at some of the benefits that we can get from drinking this tea. Number 1. Treatment of wounds, bruises, and cuts. The tea from this plant is noted to be very effective in rapidly healing wounds, bruises, and cuts. It prevents the wounds from becoming infected. Wounds and cuts must be washed with the tea 3 times a day until you see healing occurring. Number 2. Relieves headaches, muscle pains, and joint pain. The tea from the dog blood bush has been successfully used for treating pain and headaches. Number 3. Treatment of skin conditions. Prepare a tea from the leaves and add it to your bath to resolve skin conditions such as eczema, rash, and psoriasis. Number 4. Treatment of gastrointestinal problems. Dog blood bush tea is also reputed to resolve gastrointestinal problems, enhancing the normal functioning of the digestive system. Number 5. Respiratory support. Dog blood bush is also used to resolve respiratory complaints, specifically in the treatment of catarrh, cough, colds, and fever. Now the question is, how do I take dog blood bush? Well, it is typically recommended to take this herb up to 3 times daily for 2 weeks, then break for 2 weeks before repeating the cleanse. It's also important that you watch your diet in this time. An alkaline diet is ideal for this healing. Precautions. This herb is not recommended for use by women who are pregnant. Always consult your healthcare professional before taking any herbal product.
Alright guys, so our dog blood bush tea is served. Cheers to a happy and healthy life. Let's take the first sip. So good. So good guys, I trust me, you will like the taste of this tea. Alright guys, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, remember to hit that subscribe button right down below. Turn on your post notification bell so that you won't miss out on any video I post on the channel. Hit that thumbs up button and share this video so that others can know about the benefits that you can get from drinking dog blood bush tea. And you know guys, before I go, I want to big up my subscriber, Miss D, who gave me this bush. She was the one who messaged me and told me about it and say, you know, girl, you need to make this tea and let your viewers know about it. So big up yourself, Miss D. Don't be afraid to message me, you know, reach out to me on my Instagram, my Facebook, or even send me an email. My contact information is in the description below. So until next time guys, I vow to never be mediocre. You should also vow to never be mediocre. Alright, we're gonna work now, alright? I hope you found this video beneficial.